Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Nissan Rogue key fob. First, ensure you have all original keys present for the vehicle. This process typically takes about 15 minutes to complete. You will need to be inside the vehicle for most of the steps. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged before you begin. This guide will help you add new fobs or reprogram existing ones efficiently. Before we begin the actual programming, there are a few important preparation steps. Make sure you are seated in the driver's seat with all the key fobs you intend to program. It's crucial that all vehicle doors are closed completely. Also, have your ignition key readily available, as you will be turning the ignition on and off multiple times during this process. This ensures a smooth and successful programming experience. Now, let's get to the programming. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly turn it from the off position to on and back to off 6 times within 10 seconds. Your hazard lights will flash, confirming the vehicle is in programming mode. Next, take each key fob, one at a time, and press any button on it. Do this for every fob you wish to program, including existing ones, within 10 seconds of the hazard lights flashing. Once you have pressed a button on all your key fobs, remove the key from the ignition. Now, it's time to test each key fob to ensure they are working properly. Check that the lock, unlock, and panic buttons all function as expected. If any fob isn't working, or if you encounter any issues, simply repeat the entire programming process from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Sometimes, a second attempt resolves minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.